Welcome to MWC 26. I'm joined here today by Kaylee Pickens, Senior Director of Marketing for Samsung. We have a lot of stuff to go through, big show. Can you tell us about a major focus of your announcements here was on virtualization and AI. What is your approach and perspective on these technologies, and how are they revolutionizing operations for operators?
Yeah, so thanks for having me, Mike. This year at the show, Samsung is continuing to lean into our vRAN leadership. So Samsung has a long history in virtualization. We first virtualized the core in 2015, and then we fully disaggregated the RAN and virtualized the RAN in 2020 and started deploying at scale with operators around the world. So we think that that vRAN or virtualized platform is the best universal platform for operators as they start to think about how they might be able to apply AI to their network and also activate future technologies like 6G. So this year at the show, we're really leaning into how AI can really help with network operations, can help with increasing performance for operators, and also help with energy efficiency.
So you take that vRAN that you've talked about with the big rich history there. Now when we're here, how does that move forward with CPUs and GPUs?
Yeah, so as the global leader in both virtualized RAN and Open RAN, we have prided ourselves on the fact that we have an ecosystem of over 30 partners, and that is at every layer of the network. So with the CPU and GPU layer, we are actually working with all major three, Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA. And just right before the show and at the show this year, we actually announced a milestone with Intel's Granite Rapids platform, and we did a first commercial call in the US, and then here at the show we announced the first commercial European call with Vodafone. And then with AMD, we're actually showing with their Serrano platform performance parity with all other commercialized solutions. So now just offering operators more options at the CPU layer. And then with NVIDIA this year, we've announced that we have tested both the NVIDIA Grace CPU as well as the NVIDIA L4 to enable an AI downlink-based beamforming application that we're actually demonstrating in our booth. And through that application, we're actually showing that we could boost performance by 58% for operators. So really just showing the advancements on how advanced these CPU and GPU platforms are and what we might be able to enable.
So that's great. So what is on Samsung's roadmap for the rest of 2026?
Yeah, I think 2026 is going to be critical for not only Samsung, but everybody in the market. And we're really looking forward to continuing to grow our customer base, continuing to expand globally, and continuing to deploy vRAN and Open RAN across more markets with more operators, and really seeing how AI is going to change the way that we think about telco networks in the future.
Okay, great. Well, thank you for your time. That's going to wrap it up for us.
Yeah, thanks so much, Mike.